Good morning guys and happy Vlogmas 15. I can't believe it's been 15 days. It's actually insane, but I just woke up. It's around 9 a.m. and honestly I really don't feel that great. My throat hurts. I did not sleep good whatsoever, so I think after church I need to go get like medicine and stuff. But you guys, I don't know if you can tell, but it's like so gross out. It's like foggy and nasty outside. But anyways, today's Sunday, which is my favorite day out of the week. And just because I don't feel the greatest right now, we're still gonna make the most out of the day. But I'm just gonna bring you guys along my Sunday. And yeah, we're gonna have a great day. And I hope you guys enjoy. So let's get up, get our day started, and I hope you guys enjoy this video. Alright guys, right now I think I'm just going to kind of pick up my room just because it's kind of messy, and when I get back from church later I think I want to like wipe everything down and vacuum, especially since I'm not feeling 100% right now, so I think that will help. So that's what we're gonna do. I need to make my bed and then just like pick up things because I kind of just have things like scattered all around my room. So yeah. Alright guys, I kind of got a little bit ready for church. We leave in like 30-35 minutes I'd say. But I just tried this new lip combo. It's from Hiii and it's in their plum shade. You get a lip liner and one of their tinted lip glosses, and I love it. I think it turned out really good. But right now I might go eat something before I have to leave. I also changed, but it looks so gross out like I said earlier, and I don't know, I want to come back home. I want to get medicine and just lay in bed, but we'll see how today goes. But yeah. You're just standing there. Oh. Oh.
These squirrels. Remember when Papa was alive?
Alright guys, I'm home and that's Grayson. If you can hear him in the background, I changed to comfy clothes. But oh, look who's here, Frankie. She's so cute. I changed into comfy clothes. It's gross Sunday out, but went to church. Church was really good, and then my sister and I got Dunkin', but it's not the best today, so I might just make my own coffee. But yeah, I took medicine and hopefully that helps me. But right now I'm gonna go play with Gray. I do need to edit and upload today's video, and then like I said earlier, I wanted to kind of clean, do a Sunday reset. So that is a plan for today, but that is also the update. Let's go see Gray. Grayson! You see Frank? Are you playing? It's playtime. said I was gonna clean, but I'm really just like not in the mood to clean right now. So it's Sunday, obviously, but Sunday's like when everyone and their mother posts on YouTube, so it's my favorite day, as I've said before. So I'm gonna watch YouTube for a little bit and just kind of relax, lay down, and then after that, I'm like so congested right now, and then after that I want to vacuum and wipe everything down. So that is the plan. But yeah, I also made a coffee, my own coffee, because those ones are just so much better.
Okay guys, I am back on top of this. I take all this off. New peppermint glaze lip treatment. I am so obsessed, but like look at this like presentation. So all the dish ware I did today and dishwasher.
Alright guys, it's a little bit, it's actually not even a little, it's a lot a bit later. It's a little after 8 p.m. I really didn't vlog because I was just hanging out with my family the whole night and hanging out with my nephew. But my mom ordered us rosaries, new rosaries, so that's why I think kind of like last filmed. Also, I look like Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer right now because I've been blowing my nose all day. But my mom got us first these cute little dishes that say Hail Mary on it, or in it. And then this is the rosary that I got. Oops. It's a Eucharistic one, but it is stunning. It is literally the most beautiful thing I've ever seen in my entire life. I'm obsessed with it. I'll do a close-up because it is truly the most beautiful thing ever, and I'm so excited. I can't wait to use this. I love praying the rosary at night before I go to bed. It's literally so calming, and I fall asleep praying the rosary. I am obsessed. So I'll put a link to the place. I think it's called House of Jabba. Literally so cute. I'm obsessed. And then the little dish to like keep it in. Ooh, it's so beautiful. Absolutely stunning. But I think Berkeley and I are going to kind of again have like a little date night, and we're gonna finish, or I'm gonna try to finish the Lego tree, Christmas tree that he bought me, because I don't even, now that I think about it, I don't think I ever showed you guys the footage of me first building the tree. And I think that footage is deleted now. But I started filming it. I'm not okay. I started building it. Me and Berkeley did. He finished his. I'm just so slow. But we're gonna finish it tonight. So I'll show you guys. Oh my gosh, I already knocked something off. It's kind of hard to do because of my nails, but yeah, so that's what we're gonna do. Oh my gosh, I just did it again. But yeah, that's what I'm gonna probably do with the rest of the night, and then I'll probably try and go to bed early so I can hopefully like flush whatever I have out of me. I like have been taking medicine and stuff, so hopefully my throat already feels better. It's just my congestion. Ooh, I also need to fill up my humidifier too. So yeah, not really much of a Sunday reset. I just didn't feel like it, even though I really need to actually, so maybe I'll do that tomorrow. But anyways, I'm going to wind down, get ready for bed, and then we're gonna build this with Berkeley. So okay, here we go. Time to build the Lego set, and we're going to montage through this. So I'll roll the tapes.
So in this Christmas time, will we get it right? Will my wish come true? Will my wish come true? Under these Christmas lights, will our stars align? Will my wish come true? Will my wish come true? Maybe we'll be the talk of the town when we're taking decorations down. Tell me, babe, will you still be around? Singing that everyone's counting down. So in this Christmas time.
Yay, I'm done.
Goofy, goofy, goofy.
I'm not really sure, so I messed up somewhere, but
Just be very careful because it's going to be very flimsy.
I know. Yay,
Good job, babe.
it's all done.
88.
Cute.